The set that I've been working on, relatively new to Orchard Co. and .NET, so I'm really fresh. So I'm really proud of this one. It's a standard site, really, but because I'm new to Orchard Co., the goal here was to try and accommodate the client's needs in the sense that they wanted a lot of custom pages. For instance, the sign-up page, logins, they're all custom screens. So this one was quite a challenge in particular, because it's actually managed from within the UI itself, right? But I kind of, managed to get it working. If you have any questions, please fire away. It's my first demo.
Yeah, my first comment would be like, why didn't you just say no to the customer? They want being able
because
to.
I wanted to see. I like a challenge, right? So I wanted to see how far I can push myself in the system, so that next time I know what I'm getting into, right? So the password was quite interesting because I, for quite some time, didn't realize that the workflow that I was using does not, the save user event, right? Or the save user task, I forget which one it is. It does not save the password, right? So what I did to go around that was implement my own custom workflow, which really was just a copy of the existing one, and add the password field to it as well. The other challenge that I ran into was, if I can, right. So with the logged in customer area, by account area, I don't know exactly what you call it. It too had to use its own theme, right? And that was a little bit of a challenge to implement, but again, with a lot of questions on Git, I managed to get it sorted. So I'll show you what that looks like.
Is it a multi-tenant site?
No.
Okay.
It isn't.
By the way, any reason you implemented that workflow instead of coding it?
Sorry, what's the question?
Yeah, any particular reason you approach the login workflow implementation as a workflow and not by coding the whole logic?
Because my goal is usually to enable. I prefer to have functionality available within the UI, right? So anything that I can do to make it easier to get the customer to make feature changes without having to, call on me. Yeah, I usually go down that route. Would you say it would have been better to implement it via coding?
Well, I don't know. It just looks very complex. So probably I would have coded at least part of it, still keeping configurability from the admin open for certain things that you needed.
Yeah, I don't know about. I found this route that I took to be easier. So, so yeah, that's what the dashboard looks like. And with this, I just implemented just some basic rules, really. I'll show you exactly how I did that. So yeah, I just have a theme service here that literally just has rules around what patterns, if they match, it sends the user to a sort of a different theme. I think this is where I did it. Oh no, hang on a second. Oh yeah, this is how I did it. So anything that matches this gets sent to this theme as opposed to the general site theme. I suppose that's it really, unless anybody has any questions.
So we can go on the URL and hack it.
Yes, you can do that.
I can try, or if I know some security issues actually in Option, I might try them. So I can get some money out of it.
And that's what I wanted to share it actually. If anybody can catch any issues that need addressing, that would be fantastic.
So that's great. Thanks for the demonstration, the new website, and Sultan will add it, or have a minion add it to ShoreOrchard.
Yeah.
Sultan has lots of minions.
I wanted to submit this URL to you guys already, but there are some few things that I hadn't finished. For instance, here I need to enable users to add their bank account details and some crazy stuff. But yeah, it should be ready, hopefully at some point next week.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.